have I got the sweetest deal for you. Hi, I'm John. If you have a sweet tooth like me, then you're in for a real treat. Let's take a closer look at this household candy machine by the Candery. Instantly satisfy sugar cravings with this cotton candy machine. In minutes, you can enjoy cotton candy like you are in the fair with candy floss, cotton candy cones, and hard candies. Each treat maker comes with everything you need for homemade sweet treats, including 10 candy cones and a sugar scoop. This beautifully pink and food-grade safe unit is the perfect highlight to any birthday party. Compact and lightweight, the Candery cotton candy machine can liven up any party, anywhere at a moment's notice. When assembling, be sure to push the bowl firmly down over the base and turn the bowl firmly to lock into place. This will ensure that the bowl doesn't wobble when in use. Place the plastic cover over the bowl and allow the machine 5 minutes to warm up. Once ready, use included scooper to fill only 1 flat scoop of sugar into the applicator. Overfilling the applicator with floss will cause the machine to malfunction. Briefly turn off the machine to pour in the sugar floss and switch it back on. Make sure to use up all the floss in the applicator for easy cleanup afterwards. As the machine runs, just add a little water and the device will completely clean in no time. The Candery has a full customer service team standing by to assist you with any issues. Just click the Ask a Question button on the website. So what are you waiting for? Order yours today!
So, hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make some amazing cotton candy with this machine I got from Amazon. So this package is like you get the bowl, you get the machine, you get the sugar candy. It's like all the colors you love to use. We have green, blue, orange, yellow, and all the flavors that you would love. You can even mix them. It's really amazing. And so you also get this tank to use it. And we got this little thing, and I'm gonna show you how to fix. This is the package you get, and then I'm gonna show you how to fix them all together to work your candy. So first of all, we just fix this thing up there using this. I think this. Okay. Well, after making sure it doesn't move a lot, we just fix the ball on the top of it. And it comes with this, like, you should make sure. After you make sure your ball doesn't move, you just fix it and lock these up. And you got the same others from the other side. Now we move to the next step. We just turn it on and turn the heat up, and you just wait for it to get warm for about maybe 1 to 3 minutes. And so we'll wait 3 minutes to make it a perfect candy. I think I'll put this directly so we can have so we can do it quickly. And you can use whatever flavor you want. Well, I'll use some green, some dark green, some blue, purple, and you got the choice either to make just one or to mix them. It's all up to you. And now we will start with our production process. Now you got your candy.